Hey, what's up, Christine? Corey here. Real quick, I'm gonna shoot over a few tips we can actually apply to a website. I apologize. I didn't notice that you've had a website. I didn't know if you just ran out right off of the blue book. But anyway, if you don't have a website, I apologize. We can actually just make that website up for you real quick and apply these 3 free tips, so that way we can actually drag more leads and help grow your business. But anyway, the 3 things I'm actually gonna go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I actually put. I'm gonna go find another company real quick. Just gonna use an example. But the first thing I'm actually gonna go over is content. Google loves words, and taking a website and actually putting roughly about 2,000 words on that first page, so that way we're actually found for those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for, and how your website is even going to be found as well. Kind of give you an idea. If I go inside of Google, just type in HVAC oceanside. This is what you're gonna see. You got these Google guarantees right here. These are just paid advertisements. They replace those old school ads, which, yeah, they got the old school ads right here at the bottom. These have been really spammy, so Google came up with these Google guarantees to block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another paid advertisement, really. A lot of people do have ad blockers up, so a lot of ads aren't even getting through. Right here in this Google section, or this GMB or Google My Business section right here, it's also referred to as a map pack. But the top 3 sections is really where all the traffic happens. You have a bunch of businesses competing to get there, and to get right here in this top section to actually bring these leads in really comes down to making sure you have all these citations in order. And these citations are just online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what you'd want to do is come in, go get those same citations from your top competitors right here. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations in this GMB listing. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all the work that you did in this listing. Underneath that GMB, we have that first page of Google. And to be found on that first page, so we can actually bring those leads in that's coming in online. I'll actually show you the volume that's coming in as well. And to be found right there, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, what people are actually searching for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to your website. And all those other websites, all they do is really push power to your site so you can get on that first page of Google, so you can actually bring those leads in. And I'm going to take this American plumbing company right here and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. It lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. I'm going to do a quick overview. So they got 139 referring domains, 370 backlinks. They're really not doing the best backlinking. Their quality of backlinks, their DR should be a little bit higher. And if they did a little bit more quality, it wouldn't be up and down so much with their rankings. And I think they would actually have a lot more clicks than 63. But from the work that they did do, 232 keywords of keywords of what people are actually searching for, and in return they got 63 clicks to their site. You can actually come in and see what they're actually ranking for. They got their name here, American Heating and Plumbing. They got about 40 clicks coming from that. Oceanside Plumbing, there's 250 clicks coming from Oceanside, and their 8th position, bringing in 10 clicks from the 250. Realistically, if they did better backlinking, they could be a little bit higher than that 8th position. And whatever keywords you actually want to go after, like this Oceanside Plumbing, 250 clicks, you should be about 15 to 20% of whatever keywords actually works for you. So just coming in, finding all the Oceanside HVAC keywords, and then also we could actually look for those keywords around Oceanside as well, because it looks like a Oceanside HVAC just doesn't get a lot of searches. We could probably find, air conditioning repair, heating repair, Carlsbad. There's 100 clicks right there. It also has a 0 KD, so we can actually bring in 15-20% of that real quick because of with that 0 KD as well. Anyway, just coming in, finding these keywords, make sure your backlinking is done, and driving traffic is the main concern. Anyway, hopefully this all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Thanks, Christine.